Visual motor activities are awesome ways to improve a child's hand-eye coordination, gross motor skills, and fine motor skills for overall success in the academic environment, as well as during recreational activities. This Toss a Sock activity is a great yet fun way to work on these skills at home. To begin, gather a few pairs of matched socks and a laundry basket. Find an open area, placing the laundry basket on one end, then separate the socks and spread them out on opposite sides of the floor. Have your child complete an animal walk to each sock in order to make the correct match. Once they've made a match, teach them to fold the socks into a ball. Then, have your child toss the socks into the laundry basket. The 3 animal walks that we will be working on are a bear walk, a crab walk, and a frog jump. Now we are all set to play. This particular activity works on bilateral coordination and visual skills while incorporating upper body strength, as animal walks consist of heavy work components which improve our muscle strength. They also help with improved body awareness, hand strength, gross motor skills, and fine motor skills, as well as following directions. Repeat this activity as many times as you would like, and most importantly, have fun while watching your child grow stronger and become more confident each and every day.